Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about some new products that I picked up this week. So if you're interested to see what I got, stay tuned. The first thing I picked up was this Shea Moisture Mangongo and Hemp Seed Oil High Porosity Corrective Mask. This is a deep conditioner mask. And I've been wanting to try this mask out for the longest time, ever since I seen this line in the stores. This is how much I used on one deep conditioner. There's definitely like a fruity smell to it. This deep conditioner is for high porosity. It has apple cider vinegar in here. This product has no sulfates, no parabens, no pesticides, no mineral oil, no animal testing, no petroleum. The reason why the Mangoga oil will be good is because it's specifically selected to coat and seal the cuticles of high porosity hair. I've only used this deep conditioner one time and so far I'm in love. I would describe the consistency as creamy. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. It was easy for me to slide the product down my hair shaft, and it also provided slip for detangling. Definitely a repurchase. The next item I picked up is Eden Body Works Coconut Shea Leave-In Conditioner. This is paraben-free and sulfate-free. It claims to refresh and renew, and it did do just that. This leave-in conditioner is a thick consistency. You probably can't even. And it smells like chapstick. This was my first time using this leave-in conditioner, and I selected it because of the ingredients. This leave-in conditioner uses coconut oil to penetrate and moisturize the hair, and shea butter to seal that moisture in. But I've used it one time, and so far that's about as much as I've used. Next, I picked up a styler. The Cantu Shea Butter Define and Shine Custard. It's thick and gooey. Kind of perfumey. Also has no mineral oils, no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones. I was really looking for a good styler that was going to give me definition and hold. And this styler, I think, was a success. Picked this up because I had some other Cantu products, some sampler packets, and I use those and love those. So I was like, let me go ahead and pick up the Custard, put it in rotation. The last thing I picked up was this Silk Elements Pure Avocado Oil. It does have the little dropper. It's fragrance free, all natural. I do have another Silk Elements of the Pure Sweet Almond Oil. Okay, so those were my natural hair pickups this week. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up for more videos like this. You know, you could subscribe if you want to, you know, it's up to you or whatever. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye.